In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to successfully connect multiple Wix shops using the convenient Wix Multi-Store Inventory Sync by PoCo. This will enable you to effortlessly synchronize your inventory across different Wix stores. Let's start with installing the necessary app. You will need to do this for each Wix store you want to bring under the Multi-Store Inventory Sync umbrella. Simply navigate to the insightful Wix app market and search for the Multi-Store Inventory Sync by PoCo. Once found, proceed to install this app in each of your Wix stores. Next, we'll begin the process of linking your stores one by one. Kickstart this phase by going to the dashboard of your primary store. Here, unlock the Multi-Store Inventory Sync app you just installed. You should be greeted by a series of on-screen instructions. Follow them diligently. The crux of linking your stores comes mainly from swapping your store IDs. These unique IDs could be found at your secondary store, and what you need to do is copy them. Then switch back to your primary store's app, paste the ID into the designated field. This simple act of copy and pasting sets up a link that ties your primary to your secondary store. By accomplishing the linking process, your app will dutifully begin syncing inventory levels in real time whenever a product is sold or its stock is manually updated. Essentially, this means any sale on any connected store will register across all other stores, ensuring a harmonious and updated inventory record. As a bonus, Multi-Store Inventory Sync provides you with an opportunity to sync all existing products immediately right after you finish linking your stores. This is especially useful if you have a lot of previous inventory that you'd like to bring into synchronization right away. It's worth pointing out that this syncing service operates based on SKU matching. In layman terms, the system will sync only those products that have identical stock-keeping units across all stores. Therefore, make sure your products have a standardized SKU system in place for seamless operation. Wix highly values security. To uphold this, a two-sided authorization is required for the connection to set in. In other words, both your primary and secondary stores must approve the connection for maximum security. Finally, the system is built with enough flexibility to cater to your unique requirements. Hence, if at any point you wish to make manual changes to a single store's inventory without it affecting the others, there's a way out. The app allows you to hit pause on the synchronization temporarily. Mastering this process can greatly streamline your operating processes, and it is my hope that this tutorial is your first step on that journey. Stay efficient and keep your inventory in sync.